Huh.
Hey guys, turn on your flashlights.
All right.
Hello.
Whoa.
I will sacrifice myself.
No. Okay, I be needing this. Whoa.
Don't worry.
Alright. Oh my god.
Grab my hand.
Hell nah.
Right there.
Our skibidi toilet ... will be turning on my night vision.
Oh my god, run. All right there.
Oh my. What's this? Huh, a new administrator. In 1979.
These books are stolen. Looks like TV Man. Huh.
Kill myself ...
Look away.
Oh, wait, I forgot I got this, going to wear it now. Hey, look, idiot. Going to blind you, idiot.
Take this.
Now die, idiot. You okay?
Yes, bro.
Going to get this thing. R.I.P. dude. Huh.
Oh yeah.
All right, headphone and this thing. You ready, bro?
Hell yeah.
All right, buddy. Let's just go.